Congress General Secretary and Karnataka in charge Randeep Singh Surjewala on Tuesday launched a sharp attack on the BJP-led Centre, alleging that price hikes scheduled from 1st April have turned the day into a day of loot, rob, fleece for ordinary citizens. Addressing a press conference alongside Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar, Surjewala accused the centre of using inflation as a tool to swindle public money. Surjewala highlighted that toll collections have become a form of highway robbery, claiming that the centre has amassed significant revenue from Karnataka over the years. Since 2019 to 20, the Modi government and the BJP have collected 23,000 crore rupees by pickpocketing the people of Karnataka alone, he said. Toll charges, he added, are set to increase by around 5% from 1st April, seating the Bengaluru-Mysuru highway where tolls were collected even before project completion. They have already collected 900 crore rupees from the Bengaluru-Mysuru highway alone, he said. The Congress leader further condemned the centre for burdening patients, announcing that prices of 900 essential drugs and medicines will rise from 1st April 2026, including treatments for diabetes and hypertension. Surjewala also pointed to rising input costs in sectors such as construction, petrochemicals and consumer goods, noting that higher prices of steel, cement, PVC and bitumen would directly affect housing and infrastructure projects. What will the common man do? He asked. Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar added that cement prices have risen by 50 rupees to 100 rupees per bag, while iron prices have increased from 47,000 rupees to 59,000 rupees per ton. Surjewala also criticized the hike in postal charges, noting that speed post rates have risen by 34%. Fuel and transport costs were another major concern, with both leaders pointing to sharp increases in LPG prices, airfares and travel expenses. Shivakumar warned that due to an acute LPG shortage caused by the centre's foreign policy, many people are being forced to switch to firewood or electric stoves. The centre's Surjewala scheme has become a Saudi Bagya or firewood scheme. He remarked. He also noted that electricity consumption in the state has risen by 10% over the past 15 days as people adjust to the crisis. Shivakumar assured that the government has taken steps to mitigate construction-related cost pressures, revealing that the Public Works Department has already called tenders for laying bitumen. Work has already begun, and contractors in Bengaluru have been informed that rather than halting work due to price increases, the government will directly supply bitumen, he said. The combined statements by Surjewala and Shivakumar highlight the growing economic pressure on ordinary citizens in Karnataka amid BJP-led price hikes, rising fuel cost and essential commodity inflation, underscoring the urgent need for government intervention.